Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're experiencing blurry or pixelated reels and stories on Instagram. So you might be having a poor quality experience. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon on the bottom right to be directed to your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon on the top right. And then scroll down underneath where it says your app and media, select data usage and media quality. If data saver is turned on, you may want to turn it off. And maybe if it is enabled, you would want to have that turned on, but where it says high resolution media, click inside of there and you would want it to be set to cellular and Wi-Fi. So even if you want to use data saver mode, you still might want to have high resolution media. So you want to select that last option in there. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.